In this video I have the Kiss Brush On Gel kit. This kit doesn't need a UV lamp, which is good for anyone who's trying to do their nails at home. And on the side of the box is listed every item that is included, and on the back of the box is giving some warning about the chemicals used in this product. Basically, do not touch your skin, mouth or eyes with this, and keep it away from small children as well. First we have the brush cleaner. This is the activator. And next we have the gel glue. This is gonna be used as top coat as well. They are including as well an extra brush, as you can see here. And for the nail tips, they are including 24 of the white and 24 pieces of the natural color. And here we have a double-sided file, the instructions, and an orange stick. Let me follow the instructions and read everything carefully. So the first step is gonna be pushing my cuticles with the provided orange stick. And next is gonna be removing the shine from my natural nail. This is gonna be helping with the adhesion of the product. And for this, I'm gonna be using the darker side of the nail file. This is a very gentle filing because I don't want to damage my natural nails. It's just to remove any oils that might be on the nail plate. Next is gonna be wiping my nails with acetone. This is gonna be helping as well to dehydrate the nail plate to help with the product adhesion. The next step on the instructions is to pick my nail tip sizes, and I'm gonna be doing that right now. Today I'm gonna go for the natural ones, and I always like to make sure that my nail tips fit me properly, not too big or not too small. These ones are actually pretty flexible, which is good, and the little tab shows the tip numbers. For the application, using the gel glue and applying a small amount inside the nail tip, and I'm gonna hold it in place onto my nail for a few seconds, first in the center of the free edge, and then I'm gonna hold the corners as well, just to make sure that everything is glued down. This glue dries pretty fast, so there is not a long time waiting here until the nail is completely secure. And as I go, I'm removing the tabs as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete all the nails. The nail tips are done and they're looking good. So the next step is gonna be applying some of the brush cleaner liquid along the seam of the nail tip, just to blend it with the natural nail. I'm going to start with the application now, and we have to set up the bottles in an order, starting with the gel glue, the activator, and the brush cleaner. As well, we need some lint-free wipes. And the first layer is gonna be with the gel glue. Once I'm done with this layer, I need to apply a layer of the activator using the brush that is inside the brush cleaner. And once I'm done applying the activator, I have to wipe the excess from the brush and put it back into the brush cleaner. I'm repeating all the same step for all my nails, and as well I'm making sure that I don't have anything touching my skin, because this glue is gonna be attaching to the skin really fast and we don't want that. So after the first layer, guys, the nails are not looking too even yet. And the instructions do mention to apply 2 layers, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And hopefully the nails will look much better. I think I should have blended the nail tip a little bit better with my natural nail just by filing it off a little bit and bringing down the thickness of the nail tip. But right now it's too late, so I'm just gonna continue with the second layer and see what happens. I end up applying a total of 3 layers, and now I'm gonna do one more layer of the gel glue as top coat, and once it's completely dry, I'm going to use the nail file to even up some spots that I'm not happy about, some bumpy spots. But before filing the nails, I was checking the instructions for any troubleshooting, and it does shows some troubleshooting steps, but it doesn't mention anything about uneven application. That's my fault. I was checking as well the removal process, which is soaking the nails with acetone, but I was too far into this video already and I decided just to make the best I can with what I have. The nails are not looking too bad after filing everything off. They are looking kind of flat, but that's okay. These nails are short, so they don't need much thickness. And I'm gonna be creating a design with gel polish. I started with the base gel, and now I'm painting my nails with this beautiful pink. I created this cute design to celebrate Pride Month, and to go along with the design, I'm gonna create a ring. And I'm using this product from Born Pretty. This is a product that you can mold with your hands. And I'm using wax paper to roll it on to the paper and extend it like that. And I'm gonna place it around my finger just to measure the size I need for my ring. And you guys can see the process. Once I was happy with the shape, I cured it for 30 seconds under my UV lamp, and this is the result. The ring is done. As you can see, it's all hardened already and it fits. So I'm going to create now a flower to place on top. Using a flexible wire, in this case I'm using picture hanging wire, and wrapping this around this pencil that I have here. And I'm gonna be creating a petal. I'm gonna be using my card top coat for this, and we're gonna be creating a bubble. Once we capture the bubble inside the petal, I'm gonna flash curing this in place, and then I'm gonna go ahead and color my petals. Because I'm using the colors of the rainbow, I'm gonna be coloring the ring in red, and then I'm gonna use the other 5 colors for the 5 petals. And these are the final results for today, guys. These nails came out really nice. I really like the end result after all the hard work with the Kiss kit. And the ring came out really cute as well. Look at this. Not a bad job. So the overall look came out nice and all together. I do recommend this kit. It's actually not too hard to do. You just have to follow the instructions very carefully. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a nice day.